Indian Ceramics stands alone as India's premier and only dedicated B2B trade fair, catering exclusively to both the ceramics and brick manufacturing industries. This distinction makes the event an indispensable annual meeting point, drawing key international and domestic players who are focused on driving the future of the sector.
Welcome to I Like Events TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
The trade fair is specifically engineered to meet the needs of industry professionals who are seeking greater competitiveness, access to cost-effective solutions, and global best practices to sharpen market edge. Production efficiency, exploration of cutting-edge machinery, high-performance equipment, and intelligent automation systems. Latest trends and technological innovations, direct exposure to breakthrough technologies in glazing, firing, materials processing, and digital printing. Environmental sustainability, introduction to eco-friendly raw materials, energy-efficient kilns, and sustainable production methodologies crucial for long-term growth. By bringing together global exhibitors and focused professional visitors, Indian Ceramics Asia ensures an environment conducive to serious business negotiations, knowledge transfer, and strategic collaborations. Indian Ceramics is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.